Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for education and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Let's go to the prediction for today. And the Friday data, which shows there is no warning signal at all, but we have two bullish indicator with one bearish and one volatile. So whenever we get volatile, we need to play only with the hedging method because in volatile day it has potential to go from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish, and the best method to play is hedging method. But still we have only uh, positive side weekly pending target. All the weekly target has closed. Even in the monthly, some of the targets are closed. We still have a monthly downside target, two targets in hand, which is in the below 16,000 range, 15,901 and 15,161. So if Nifty is falling from the current level, means it will fall down 1,000 more points. So all we need to do is that if we want to trade in the bullish side, minimum somewhere around 10% to 20%, you need to keep small insurance on the bearish side. For example, if you are buying some 100 points in the call option side, focusing on the positive targets, which is 17,223, 17,258, and then 17,814, followed by 18,000 range. All are in the weekly positive side target. So that if we going for a bullish, but you must have to go 10 to 20 points insurance in the put option side. Why? Because if Nifty is breaking certain points and falls down, it has potential to fall down heavily towards 15,901. So it still has potential as well. So this insurance will give you protection if Nifty is falling unexpected bearish. So this will help you to make out the losses from the call option side. But this is an idea I'm giving. But today's data, how we need to trade. In the past, the same kind of data, what happens is it has ended up with 250 points positive side as well, but the pre-opening is typically like 110 points. It has opened in the positive, but it has fallen from that level towards to the flat negative, and then from the flat negative towards to bullish, it has closed around 250 points. This kind of a method is it has ended up in this particular similarities. But on the other data, which the pre-opening is not going to be above 100, it has to be somewhere around 70 points gap up in the positive, and then it has ended up in the negative side around minus 45 points. These are all the other scenarios. So the pre-opening will decide how and what kind of a trend it will have. So right now the edges Nifty is showing plus 150 points, which means the bullish is taking control like that it is showing. But still we need to watch out how the pre-opening numbers are going to be. So if it is well above 100 points, 130 points, then we will see some kind of a bullish trend towards to 17 to 58. But still what we need to trade is hedging method, focusing on some 100 points in the call option side and 80-70 points in the put option side. This kind of a uh, hedging method will protect you. Even you can go equally as well. So equally 100 points you can bet on the hedging method. If you bet like that, what happens is no matter which side it is going, you still have potential to exit with minimum profit of 1,000 to 3,000 rupees on a intraday basis. But the same combination can exit with the safe exit on the same day intraday, but you still have the chances to hold for a week also. This combination, whatever you are buying, you can hold for a week also. Why? Because if Nifty is trending towards to one particular side, towards to 600 points, let's take, if it is going for a next um, And this particular week, if it goes bullish around more than 600 points, means one particular side it has potential to give some huge profit. Likewise, if it is falls down heavily, more than 600 points on the negative side, still the put option side having potential to go big numbers. So you can keep this combination for an entire week as well, to take chances. But if you get profit 1000 to 3000 points, if it is reaching 1000 points, you can exit, because every day if you are making 1000 points in a combination like this, around 10k investment, it is a 10% profit. So 10% profit every day is very good profit. So on an intraday basis, you can exit whenever reaching more than 1000 points profit on this particular method. But as per other support and resistance level, what it shows, anything above the volatile level one, which is 0.10%, 16.99, almost 17 points, 17,000, 2.59. Anything above this level, Nifty is in the bullish zone, and we have similarities like yesterday. Three numbers are the same, which means Nifty is having strong support level on this particular level. So if Nifty is not breaking 17,000, not 2.59 minus 10 points stop loss. So this is the key calculation. So if Nifty is not able to break 16,992.59, so this particular level is not breaking, then Nifty has potential to recover strongly as well. But if it is breaking below the that particular level and trying to go towards to Nifty on the negative average, which is 16,764, then this same support level become resistant level. So that is what we need to watch out. If it is breaking and going towards to the downside further, then automatically this support level become resistant levels. For that, we need to keep plus 10 points and watch out if it is trading below this level. If it is not breaking once again 17,012.59, so this will become resistant level if falls below. So these are all the rules which we need to follow. But today, what happens is Nifty, as per SGX Nifty showing, Nifty is still open somewhere above this 17,102 level. What we need to watch out is if Nifty is breaking this particular stop loss level high, 17,112.80, I'm adding 10 points from this particular level. So this key level is breaking on the pre-opening itself, means automatically this target will get open, which is 17,249.73. So what we need to do is that buying on dip method, if this particular level is breaking on the pre-opening itself, means buying on dip method, we can buy one call option as a hero zero. You can take what kind of a risk you want to take as a hero zero. It might be 10, 20, or 30, even 100 also. What kind of a hero zero you need to buy? Once if it is breaking this particular key level on the pre-opening itself, means 17 to 49.73 will get open as a target, new target on the positive side. So buy one hero zero, buying on dip method. So if that hero zero has potential to go big numbers if it is reaching on the same day 17,249. So this is the one key as well. So we need to watch out the pre-opening where it is going to be, but at the same time, if it is fall down from the high or after 150 points, it might fall down on high, but we need to watch out the low, because there are so many support levels out there in the range around 17,033 to 17,002. So many support levels are there. So any level it still has potential to keep low perfectly and reverse from that particular level. But the best method to go for the day is going 100 points in the call option and 80 points in the put option. What why we need to take less on the put option side? Because We need to go with the hedging method, that is fine, but still there is a chances to go bullish. So that is the reason we are asking to keep 20 points on the positive side. The same method you can buy 120 points in the call option. The combination can differs 100 points in the put option. This kind of a combination also you can buy. So you need to keep little higher on the call option side, like because the data is showing pending for the weekly on the call option side, but still the negative is having chances to go. So that is the reason we are keeping the hedging method, because volatile we need to keep hedging method, that is the safe method. You still go for a bullish trade, you need not to panic, you need to buy hero zero kind of thing, then only even if it goes zero or even if it goes bizarre bearish, you will not get affected by that. So play safe. How and what kind of a method you want to choose, play according to that. But my best advice is to go for a hedging method today due to one volatile indicator as well. But anything above the pivot level, Nifty will always try to go up. So that is also which strongly supporting as well. And other data which shows par value, anything above this level, pre-opening is 16,809. Above this level, Nifty will try to go up as well, 17,308. But as per the volatile rule, we used to trade positive target to negative target to, which means the negative side still having impact around 364. So that is the one more reason we are asking go with the hedging method. But in the hedging method, we are asking to buy 100 to 80 method. So call option you need to keep 100 and put option you need to keep 80. So small difference around 20% you need to keep. And the next data which shows still Nifty has potential to go bullish anything above 16,878 level. So it is showing bullish only, but the numbers are not big. Even the gap up might leave your its profit and may come down towards to some flattish kind of thing like that it is showing. But still that is also one more reason we are asking to go for a hedging method today due to the volatile uh, game. So as a conclusion, you must have to go with the hedging method, but slightly higher on the call option side for the combination is advisable. Keep put option as a hedging method with little lower price. That is what the conclusion is. Let's go to the yesterday's data. Yesterday, the lower side targets are closed 16,925 and 16,932, 16,912. All those monthly and weekly targets are closed. We still have pending positive side target only. So and we have the high and low tracker. So the high which 17,062, but we don't have numbers here, but still we can easily calculate the numbers to get. It is the number of times, which means it is 13 times, which gives the exact number, because it is a multiple of support level one. We got only imaginary number because we don't have the resistance at all. We found the support level one. From that level only we taken the multiples of it. So that 13 numbers multiple of the support level one gives you the exact number 17,060, which is matching with the stop loss of plus 10 points. So that is the reason Nifty is still having potential to come down, because all the numbers are getting matched every now and then. At the same time, lower side as we expected, that key level was not able to break 16,814. That is what we expected, but Nifty well above this particular 16,850 matched exactly as well. So our numbers are always typically matching. So that is the reason Nifty has recovered from that particular level to close in a flat finish. So we expected this kind of recovery is possible. We have already told as well. So Nifty exactly happened as per our prediction. Let's go to the today's summary. The data summary for the Friday Nifty has one volatile indicator, so that must have to go with the hedging method, but slightly go higher in the call option and lower in the put option. So you can equally also can play 100 and also can play and buy uh, hold for a week tenure, but slightly advantage is there on the call option side due to the pending target. So that is the reason we are asking to go for a little higher on the call option and lower on the put option, like 100 CE and 80 PE. So you need to buy this kind of combination, or 120 CE or 100 and 100 P. So this kind of a combination is advisable today to go. And we have four positive side pending targets. We are focusing the first two, 17 to 23 and 17 to 58, these two targets, and then followed by a little higher. So we focusing on these two at present, and then anything above this particular level 17,002, which is in the bullish zone, and we have stronger three times on this particular level support, so that we need to closely monitor that particular support level. If Nifty is falling from the high towards to this, not able to break, then Nifty has potential to recover from that particular low towards to bullish once again. But at the same time, if it is breaking that particular level and fall down below, then this same support level will become as a resistance. So watch out how the Nifty is going to trade. And I forgot to mention one particular thing, which is 80% target. 80% target we have on the negative side around 16,786, but the condition for this particular target to hit is pre-opening must have to be in the negative at least even 1 point. If pre-opening is in the positive, means this target chances is 50-50. Sometimes it might fail as well. So we need to watch out pre-opening whether it is going to be in the positive or negative. If it is in the negative, we must have to go equally in our hedging method. So that is one more point I forgot. But as per other data which CPR showing bullish, but still CPR is flat CPR. So as per flat CPR, it still has potential to go trending irrespective of the side. It can go 1 to 2% bullish, it can go 1 to 2% bearish as well. So it is not going to be easy to trade on the flat CPR day. It still has potential to go both sides with equal amount of chances on the CPR, flat CPR. So best method, that is the reason we are asking to go for a hedging method, but slightly advantages there in the positive side. So we still give small points on the bullish. Hero zero, you can take any side trend according to your risk, but the best method to go is hedging method due to that one volatile as well. So the conclusion is we need to trade slightly advantage on the bullish with the combination. So let's see how the market is going to give us on Friday. Thank you.